the Ministry of Sports.
President wa FKF Nick Mwendo wa umothe uma mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ria rugamiriria mathako na unduire na kuria arutire mateta mao megamaine na kwaga gwa kigina ona thengie ya ruhonge rwa sports fund gukorwo ruthondeketwo.
Quite a lot of questions. I filled a full scope.
Kuringana na mwendo wa timu cia bururi kwaga kuheo mbeca ihinda riria riagirire ni gukoretwo gugithingithia mitaratara na mifango ya mathako matiganite.
This week when I made noise and you said that point to him is when we were told one of the reasons why you're not being given starlet money is because you have not accounted for 244 million. We have the 244 million given to us. Within 15 days from the Cup of Nations, we submitted all returns to the ministry.
Nick auma hamwe na athaki a timu ya bururi ya Harambee Stars orondoma na Harambee Starlet na undu uyu ukite thiko nini tu kuma amenereria ministry ya mathako na makiria kuorotereria PS Kaberia ni undu wa timu cia bururi kwagaga mbeca riria cia fatara.
Our belief is that the fund is not structured badly. It's not structured badly. I think the Honorable asked, it's not structured badly. If the fund administrator, Ambassador Kaberia, wanted to do the job, if he was equal to the task, if he was forthright in telling us what is wrong, then we wouldn't have this.
Age aria mauma kurekereria mateta mao ni hamwe na muikariri giti wa Kenya Rugby Union uria wikaine ta Thomas Opio oro undu umwe na munyinyi wa president wa Athletics Kenya uria wikaine ta Paul Mutwili.
Part in this sports Kenya so that
na kugi ahariria mahenya ma KCB Classic Rally muthia wa kiumia giki maugite mifango yothe ni miriku mbere ya macindano maya maria makahanika muthia wa kiumia county-ini ya Meru. Kuringana na muthurimi wa barabara iria cigakorwo cikigererwo Helena Gendo gicunje kia 80 harĩ 100 gia barabara ici cigakorwo cikihuthika barabara cia muingi.
The event is being run on 80% open roads. So safety is key, paramount for this event. The arrangements we have in place, like we are having around 530 marshals. It will be flagged off at 7 a.m. by Honorable Curator, the Governor for Meru County. And then the cars will head to the first spectator stage, which is at Kanyakina area. We are calling it Curator Road.
Beteka ici cia kaunti ya Meru iguciriirie makiria ma matereba 20 magitongorio ni Carl Frash Tundo uria utongoretio na wingi wa pointi thiini wa mithunguko yothe.